I want to cheers you.
All right, post-workout, we are going to take our creatine scoop.
Got a good pump in today. I'm doing a lot of reps today versus strength training, doing some hypertrophy training.
New workout routine today for the next 6 weeks. But just wanted to hop on and say, look out for our newest reel that's coming out today. And it's about our spring break trip. We're going to start our spring break trip that we took to Tahoe. But the first reel is really good. You're going to want to watch it. It's about Tahoe and tornadoes.